This smoke alarm adopted photoelectric technology. It is particularly sensitive for detecting visible microparticles associated with smoldering and reacts faster than ionization alarms. It is powered by a built-in 10 years lithium battery. The plastic parts are made of V0 ABS flame retardant material can protect the device in case of fire. Automatic chamber compensation function with automatic calibration for accurate sensitivity, which could lower false alarm rate. Built-in mesh screen helps to reduce small insects and dust contamination into the product during daily work. The RF module of smoke alarm enables be interconnected with other RF smoke alarms from our company. Pressing the test button once a week for testing the unit to ensure operate normally. Ceiling mounting for easy installation. Fit the alarm on the bracket directly and turn the alarm body clockwise until it matches properly. In the event of fire, it will alarm louder than 85 dB with the red LED light flashing, and other interconnected smoke alarms will alarm together. In order not to disturb your rest, the product is designed with silence and no disturb function. Press test button and hold it for 3 seconds until LED lights, and release it within 2 seconds. The unit will generate a beep indicates the alarm working. Ensure the smoke alarms are activated. Select the smoke alarm to be the central point of connection to all other smoke alarms. Press the test button on the central smoke alarm 3 times within 2 seconds and the red LED will flash quickly. This indicates the unit is in pairing mode for 90 seconds. Within 2 seconds of the central smoke alarm being in pairing mode, press the test button 3 times on one of the other smoke alarms. The smoke alarm will interface with the central smoke alarm. Completion of the pairing is indicated by a beep sound and 1 light flash. Repeat steps to pair other smoke alarms. Press the test button on any smoke alarm unit 3 times within 2 seconds, and the red LED will flash quickly. Next, press and hold the test button again until the red LED light goes out the first time and release the button immediately. The red LED will flash slowly. At this time, press the test button again, and the smoke alarm unit will beep 3 times, indicating the smoke alarm clears connection successfully. Press the test button 6 times within 3 seconds, then the LED light will stay on for about 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, the product will flash quickly during the rapid flashing of the product. Press the test button 6 times again, the product will beep with a sound indicating that the product is no longer active. There will be no alarm functions while in this status. You must reactivate the alarm before use. Please refer to the chapter activation to activate the product. Please note, deactivating this alarm should only be performed if you need to dispose of the smoke alarm or if you need to cease a nuisance alarm which is caused by a failure of the smoke alarm.